So this room comes with a private elevator. Because there's 2 floors, you kind of need a private elevator. So today we are lucky enough to be staying at the 3-bedroom duplex. It's in the Tower Suites at the Encore Hotel Casino in Las Vegas. This is gonna be an epic day and we're gonna be high rollers together, me and you guys. And let's start off with some champagne. Champagne for Greta.
Champagne for Greta.
So we're gonna give you a room tour of this epic, super beautiful room. But this is a chocolate carousel. Look at that, isn't that cool?
Stop. No.
There's 2 floors, you kind of need a private elevator. Come on, how cool is that? Come on, that's cool. We're going to pick up our friend Lewis, who's going to be hanging out with us for the night. And he has never seen a room quite like this. So he's going to be really excited, I think. Right, Greta?
Yeah. Hello.
There he is. What's
Hi.
up?
What's going on?
How's it going? That's Lewis.
You stoked to see this room?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a private entrance for all the tower suites here.
What?
This is crazy.
Playtime's over. It's time to go to dinner. So we are going to the SW Steakhouse at the Wynn. They're a premier steakhouse. I've never been there. I've been to many restaurants here. We're going to show you guys around the steakhouse. Greta, where's Greta? Greta? Oh, okay. All right, let's go. We have to find Lewis too, 'cause he was downstairs gambling. So we need to find him. Follow the Greta. Follow the Greta.
You want to say hi to your fiance?
Hi, David. I have this beautiful table here for
Okay,
you.
perfect.
Welcome to SW.
Oh, nice. How's the view?
They
Explain.
gave me a little chair for my purse. That literally never happened to me. Look how cute this is. It's a little chair for my purse.
That's hilarious.
Cheers. So we ordered a few things as appetizer. We got bone marrow and we got crab cakes. But the chef surprised us with a giant tower of seafood. We got crab legs, oysters, shrimp. Chocolate what?
Chocolate martini.
It's your dessert?
It's my dessert.
Yeah, okay.
Cheers to
Cheers,
Pompsie and Greta. And subscribe and like every video.
All right, we're back from that incredible dinner experience. It was awesome. We're gonna play some pool now, and then we're gonna play some poker in the room because we're trying to experience and enjoy the room as much as possible. So we're gonna play some poker just for fun, right, Greta?
That's right. We're acting like this is our home.
Oh shit! Hey. Okay, next game is some poker, some friendly poker.
I don't know about that.
I'm all in. So for the last hour and a half, we've been playing hide and seek in this room, and it's been so much fun, honestly. And we just cannot find Lewis. She found me first. I'm trying to help her, but we cannot find him.
You found? Oh, no. You found him?
Were you there the whole time? No.
You were there the whole time?
No.
Oh.
Okay, I was like, dude, I checked for you.
I saw her through the glare go that way, so I got out of my spot.
Where were you originally?
Over here.
1, 2, 3. Ready or not, here I come. Elevator clear. Aha! No. There's no good hiding spots in that room anyway. Alright, they're probably upstairs. Or maybe they're here. Over here? No. Over here? No. We're going upstairs? Come on. Can't remember the last time I even played this game. Must have been like 6. Found you. Greta? 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 You checked the curtains? You're opening them?
Yeah.
Smart. Way more efficient than what I was doing. Found her?
She said almost done.
Oh my god, Greta, what are you doing in
She's the
there?
only one that can fit in there, too.
was like, I couldn't breathe anymore.
'Cause I looked through here, and I literally looked through here, and I was like, no one ever hides in here. There's nowhere to hide.
I know, I heard you say that.
So
You said there's
laughing.
not that many hiding spots. I was like,
Why, hello there. Good morning. I cannot tell you how comfortable the beds are here. It's actually insane. I always sleep so well, and I don't want to get out of bed ever or leave this place. Amazing restaurant last night, SW. Cannot recommend enough. Staff was incredible. We had the amazing view. We got the heaters all around us out on the deck, looking at the lakeside show. Man, this has got to be my probably like the best stay I've had in Vegas, or at least like top 4 or 3. Yeah. God, I love the Wynn. Thank you, Wynn. Thank you, Wynn. Thank you, Wynn. Thank you, Wynn. Obviously, I'm very lucky, and I was given this room and comped this room. But anyone could book this. A lot of high-end rooms in Vegas, you can't book. You kind of have to know someone or be a really high-level gambler to get them. But this room is not that. This room you can just book if you have a ton of money. But if you're like me and you don't, you have to find a creative way to get it, I guess, or something. But either way, hopefully you enjoyed the video. And once again, I'm going to show you my favorite part, the elevator.